What's inside my first-time home buyer's welcome packet? Let's take a look. First up is this 8-step home buyer's roadmap. This has a short explanation of the 8 steps right up from beginning to close. Next up is 6 reasons for benefits to becoming a homeowner. Next up is my 2-page buyer's questionnaire. This will help me keep track of all of the important things to you during the transaction. Next up is this house hunting checklist. This will help you keep track of all of the things that are important to you during the home buying process. Next up, we have terms important to buyers and terms important to sellers. I believe that it's important for you to understand what it is we're negotiating. Once I set you up on a home search on Northstar MLS, these are going to be the definitions for all of the statuses that you're going to see online. That includes things like active, pending, active inspection, and so on. Next up is critical dates checklist. This will help you keep track of all of the important dates right up until closing when you get the keys. Next up, we have this pamphlet with home inspection information. And last, we have my 23-page home buyer's guide. This has things like the home buying process, a mortgage guide, questions to ask your lender, house hunting tips, house hunting wants and needs, final steps before closing, and a local trusted vendors list. If you're interested in a copy of that, send me a message and I'll send you the link to download for free.